n8n is an amazing tool if you're looking for a low-code platform to build AI agents. On the website, they offer a €20 and a €50 subscription, and if you just want to try the product, you can do that for 14 days entirely for free. And while the cloud subscriptions are totally worth the investment if you're building systems for production, I know that many of you just want to experiment with this tool, and in that case it makes sense to install it locally, and in that case you can use it for free as long as you want. Now n8n is a Node.js package and you can install it with the Node.js package manager. Now instead of using the Node.js package manager, I'm going to advise you to install n8n in a Docker environment. Now this is going to save you from a lot of dependency issues and will result in a stable environment that is easy to maintain. Let's get started. So in order to get started, the first step is to download Docker Desktop. So just navigate to docker.com, then click on download Docker Desktop and then just download the version for your operating system. In my case, that's Windows. Then once the download has been finalized, let's initiate the installation process. And once the installation process has been finalized, let's search for Docker and then open Docker Desktop right here. Now Docker really likes it if you create an account, but I've worked with Docker for quite some time now and I can guarantee you there is no need to create an account. Now as soon as Docker has started, you end up in this screen and you see the menu of Docker on the left side of your screen. We're going to navigate to Images, then click here on Search Images to Run. And then we're going to search for n8n IO. And the image that you need is this one, n8n IO/n8n. So just click on Pull in order to download this image. So in order to create a container, I'm going to run this image. So just click here on the play button. Then you will see some optional settings where you can provide a name and as well, for example, a host port. Now, by default, the host port is 5678, but I'm going to change this to 5680. Just on my computer, you don't have to do the same, just because I know that 5678 is not working. Then you can as well provide here the path where the container will be stored and some other variables. For now, I'm going to skip that and I'm just going to run the container. Now, once the container has been created, let's navigate back to containers. Now you will see here the newly created container, and here you will see on which port it is available. So just click here, and this will open n8n, which has now been locally installed. Now you can fill in your personal information, like your first name, your last name, and a password. Now this information will be used in order to create an admin account. And now you will end up in this screen and you're ready to create your first AI agent.